Hello, in this video we will learn about customizing our quick access toolbar. So if you do remember that in the very first video we learned that this was a quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar has its own use, that there are few frequently used tools that we can keep here and use it in a minute. So you can see new file, open, save, email, undo, redo, undo, and redo was here. You click it, you can put sort. So sort option came here. Why this is very important and convenient, that let us suppose you have few data and you wanted to sort that. To sort that data, you need to go in different options, like you need to find that where this sort function is available. So this is here, this is here. So instead of going multiple options, you can find this option here. So it is very easier to use instead of going in different options. So these are the options that are right now available. If you wanted to add more option in this, you can use more command, and here you can see different options. The four options that we saw here is already been saved here. If you wanted to move some option from here, then just double click on this, or one time select this and remove. It will come here like this. So this option has been removed. Now if you wanted to add more options, then just click one time and add, or you can double click on these options like copy, just double click, it came here. So this is the way by which we can increase our quick access toolbar options. Now you can see the new option, the new option has been added. You can hide these new options as well by just checking on these. All right, we'll meet you in the next video.